Hello everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, Bitcoin versus US dollar and dollar index. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So what we can see here is that market is trading at the critical support level. 1.2600 mark is a critical support in the last few weeks on the British pound versus US dollar. This is a 4-hour time frame, and from this we can project, for example, two scenarios. One scenario will be, of course, the market can reject from here and then make some shallow pullback, so there is a chance then for rotation back at least at the middle of this range, so 1.2700 area, or even rotation back towards the resistance at the top of this range around 1.2775. From the other side, if we can see the breakdown of this support and hold below, then there is a chance for the retest of the 1.2500 mark, and then later on we have also some pin bar low at 1.2450 mark. So this will be a very important area to watch and observe the price action around this critical support zone to confirm the further direction on this currency pair. Now, speaking of the gold market, gold is still in consolidation, and speaking relative to the last, let's say, few weeks, we can see the resistance is clearly at around 2062, and the support is around 2002 level, 2004 level. So far, it seems like market is the sellers are in control. We have some loss of momentum for the buyers and the rotation downside. So the likely scenario is a market for the market to retest potentially 2007, 2006 area, and then we will see if the market can reject from there, or we can see the breakdown below the 2000 mark and potential drop towards the 1973 mark, which is the very important swing low from the background. If there will be some meaningful rally, for example, in the break of 2064 and hold above, then there is a chance for a retest of the 2089 or even this pin bar territory all the way up to the 2141. Now, speaking of the crude oil, what we found there is that this was a strong resistance around 79 mark. There was a gap down, which market just tried to rally and faded. So at this point, our analysis and our forecast from the previous week was correct, like for the primary scenario, and we can see that market is trading lower and it's close to the support area. From the other side, we have around 71 and 70 mark. So this is very important area, and we can see potential retest of that area, at least maybe even the retest of the 68 area. Of course, there will be some bigger reaction to the upside and, break and hold above, for example, this 74.35, and there is a chance for it to rally towards 76.80 or even 77.80. But so far, sellers are in control with no big sign of the strength. Now, checking the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see that we have this consolidation, basically a triangle pattern at this point. So let's put that triangle pattern right here, and we can see from this perspective, if the market will break down, let's say 41,300, there is a chance for the new down leg towards the 38,500. From the other side, if market can break and hold above 43,900, there is a chance for the rally towards the 48,000 mark. And dollar index, we can see that market did lots of, traded into this important area, like more like consolidation, more trading range, and the market had breakout at this point. Now market is trading at 104.5. So there is a chance for the higher prices, and the next station is around 104.80 mark, and also this territory at this point. We can also go to lower frames to see how this looks like. And seems like market is just building another flag. So if we see some break above 104.20, there is a chance for the higher prices towards the 104.80 mark. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.